It's time to go get some coffee because I need it. ما نقدر نقعد. No, not that car. Not that car. The other car. Other car. Come on. There we go. شكون فهم معاه؟ ها؟ شبعت اللحم. شبعت اللحم. شبعنا اللحم ورقصنا وضحكنا وذا كامل.
Oh my gosh, no! I always see you in
barista clothes.
Yeah, I know, that's why I let you go all that.
What's good, Shirley? What's good? How you doing? What are we doing here today?
Some coffee.
Getting some coffee.
Always.
This is what you call waiting for Eid coffee. Cheers. This shot is, how do you say it? Well done, well pulled,
Well pulled shot.
yeah, it's a well pulled shot, yes. By our barista here, Menji. She got her own YouTube channel too. She does unboxing and stuff.
Yes, subscribe!
Yeah! I'll drink this and go to chill with the family.
عيدك سعيد كل عام وانت بخير ان شاء الله وعافيه وازدهار
Great Eid! So, how does it feel to dress in our culture way? زوينة?
Yeah.
Say ملحفة زوينة.
ملحفة زوينة.
How does it feel to spend the Eid with the family and do all the crazy things that we've been doing?
I said the best, right? Like good?
Yeah. Say Eid مخيّة.
Eid محية.
No, مخيّة.
محية.
And we got Yaqub over here. ها سكي خيّك يا ابوي ها سكي ذاك اللي تواسع حق بعد ذاك صالح معانا الدكتور عدنان من العالم الزيولوجي وذاك العالم الثاني دياله هو كيف الحال؟
ما شاء الله اشتري ياك لباس
ياك خير
ما يصير امور
ياك ما نسلفك شي من الصغر
قلت لك لا صديق بعد الزمن الزمن سلم لك شي من الصغر صرتك لباس
والله لا ما شاء الله صح نعطيك شي من الصغر انا نمشوا انا وانت تركيا نقلع عنا شي من الصغر ونعطي لك دونيشن
ديل
والله ديل حق بعد الأسرة المشعككة
اللي عجبت الفيديو
This is gonna be on YouTube.
That's what's up, guys.
That's what's
gotta
up.
follow this guy. He's getting bigger and bigger day after day.
Yep.
You gotta you know get on the train while it's not crowded.
The Shakuka gang. Say it again.
Shakuka gang.
Shakuka gang.
شباب فولو ذا الراجل راواركم جاي لا يعود كبير راكم تركبوا القطار مازال خاوي فيه اللي ذا الراجل ده هو لا قناة وتكبر وتكبر بإذن
إيه.
عنده أحسن فيديوهات قدروا تجبرهم على اليوتيوب
الله كامل معلوم.
وفلوج بالعربية والله عدد فيديوهات
والإنجليزية.
باللغة العربية والإنجليزية طبعا يا
لك تعرف على حسب
Good mix,
المناسبة.
man.
Good mix. على حسب المناسبة depends on the occasion. We're gonna do English because of this lady here. And you were saying, look here. Yeah, look at the camera and say, my name is Zainabu.
My name is Ibrahim.
And I am a cute princess.
I am the cute person.
And I'm here.
The piano and the balloon, the pop, all of them, and the fires come and they say boom boom.
Yes. Yes, and the boom boom comes from your castle.
Fire.
Fire, boom boom. Okay, say عيد سعيد.
This is Eid.
عيد مخير.
This is Eid.
عيد مخير. Say follow and subscribe.
For subscribe and they will.
هذا فلوج بسيط. Simple vlog with the family. المزعجون.
Shakuka gang.
شعكوكة gang on the scene.
السلام عليكم. شحال فيك درت بواحد هسه؟
انا انسان مسؤول اليوم فاهم لا صراحه.
ما شاء الله عليك.
واحد من المشاهير العالميين في لبس دراعة. لابس معنا اليوم دراعة متواضع معنا فنان سانتانا.
ما بيعطينا نجونا يعطينا نجونا
ما باغي يدور معك.
يوسف ابي يعطينا نجونا
للاسف انا
بس.
بس
وانت؟
وانت there you go بخير الحمد لله.
الحمد لله الحمد لله.
how's your Eid؟
نبدأ عيد.
شو نفسك؟ she's learning.
What's that word that you learned a while ago?
حيا.
No, before that. أنا boy زوين.
أنا أبويا زوينة.
This is our beer my friend.
This is our concentrated beer, espresso, the cultural way. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This to all my English speaking friends, to my American friends, to my friends that live in Europe. This is what we call tea or espresso. What do you want?
And why read the popping balloon and sell bum bum and
Oh, good. Sorry. Oh, this is like this buzzes the brain. So
The best tea you'll ever drink.
concentrated
Tea
tea.
زوينة.
Atay zain.
إتي زين.
Atay
إتي نانا زين.
atay zain.
إتي زين.
زين
زين.
ومعلوم. معلوم. Atay معلوم.
إتي معلوم.
حق. Say حقبة.
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 I'm trying to teach her how to speak Hassani, but I'm struggling with that myself. This tea is so far my favorite thing to drink after espresso and coffee in the morning. I like to drink this during the day.
Bread and all.
And yes, with bread and olive oil. The holy trio,
The Trinity.
the Trinity, the bread, olive oil, and tea. So, cheers, mate. What do you guys think about
the finger
ملحفة
brown.
and دراعة? How do you feel wearing that? باش حاسة.
زوينة.
How do you feel as باش حاسة?
How do you say I feel? أنا
حاسة
حاسة زوينة.
حاسة عني
حاسة أني
زوينة.
زوينة.
Say it to the camera.
حاسة أني زوينة.
And that's your answer for ملحفة
مهبة.
and دراعة.
Well, that was an amazing time. Now it's time to go home because I am really exhausted and I need to get some rest before we go out tonight, maybe, or maybe not. I don't know how I'm gonna feel, but it's time to go home.